Okay students, today I am going to discuss here some other functions in the LibreOffice Calc, that is text functions. In the text functions, we are going to discuss first of all left function, right function, mid function, lower function, upper, len. So first you see text functions. Okay, text functions. In this one we are going to discuss some functions. You see here I have given, okay, I'm deleting all these things. You see here I am giving Happy New Year. Okay, this is a text, this is a text, a string Happy New Year I am giving here. So the capital means it's a title case letters. You can see Happy New Year in this one, some capital letter and small letters are there. So in order to convert this Happy New Year into the capital letter, the full things into the capital letter, for that purpose we are using upper function. So what to do? Equal to upper, then open the bracket, then select whatever function, select which text we want to convert to the uppercase letter, that is capital letter. So select this F4, then close the bracket, then enter. Now you see it is showing the Happy New Year as a capital letter. Then small means we are converting the same into the Happy New Year into the small letter, the full small letter. So what to do? Equal to lower. Okay, equal to lower we can use. Then select the Happy New Year. This is our original text. Then enter. Now you see it is converted into the full. It will be converted into the small letters. Okay, so this is our original text. I am using here as a title. So an original text. So from this one we convert this Happy New Year into, okay, this one we converted into the full capital letter and small letter. Next is length. Length means how many letters are there in this string. Next, so equal to len. So len function is used to find. Len means length. So len function is used to find the length of a string. That is how many characters, how many letters, alphabets are there. Okay, how many letters are there in the original text. So what to do means equal to len, then select this Happy New Year, this cell, that is F4, then close the bracket, then enter. You see it is showing 14. So we can calculate how many letters. Okay, so you see Happy 5 letters, HAPPY 5 letters, then one space is there, so 6, N 7, E 8, W 9, then a space is there, 10, Y 11, E 12, A 13, R 14. So including the spaces, that is in computer or in computer languages and all, space and underscore, everything is treated as a letter. So you see Happy New Year. In this one 12 letters are there as alphabets, and including this space 14 letters are there. So for that purpose we are using a function len. Next, 3 other functions are there. What are the functions? You see 3 other functions: left, right, middle. So in this text Happy New Year, what is the leftmost word? Okay, that is happy. So we can extract this left word, how many letters and all. So for that purpose we can use what is equal to left. So left function. In this left function we are using with two arguments. First, which is our original text. So I am selecting F4, then comma. In this one, how many characters should be or how many characters to be displayed on the screen from the leftmost letter. Okay, so I need to display happy. So how many letters in happy? 5 letters are there. So I am using 5. So F4 means this Happy New Year. 5 means first 5. That is the left. In this left area, 5 letters I need to display. Then enter. Now you see happy. Okay, happy. Next, I will show you. So 5 means happy. So if we want to use another, like I am using equal to left, then giving this F4, then comma, then I am giving 3 letters. It will display HAP. That is from the left, happy, HAP, 3 letters. Okay, in this one we used 3. So instead of that 3, we can use 5, then the happy will be displayed. Right means, you see in this original text Happy New Year, in this rightmost word is year. So from this right, how many letters you want to display? So here you see I am using equal to right function. Then I am selecting this original text F4, then giving 5 also. Sorry, 4 mean last 4 letters. From the last point, how many letters? So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Year means 4 is there. So I am using, entering that. You see right F4. F4 means this Happy New Year original text. Then 4 means from the rightmost letter 4 letters should be displayed. So here when we are changing the same into 2, it will display what? AR. That is RA is displayed. So if we want to display this year only, for that purpose we can use 4. Okay, for that purpose we can use 4, that is year. Then if you want to display new year, then what to do? 4 letters. Year has 4 letter, then 1 space is there, 5, W 6, E 7, N 8. So for that purpose what to do means, instead of this 4 we can use 8. That means it will display new year. Okay, so right, left F4 this original text, then 5 means happy will be displayed. Right F4 8, when we are giving 8, then it will display new year. So we are using this 4 only as an example. So it will display what? Year. So happy, then right year, then mid. At mid, which text we need to display? So you see in this 3 words, new is a middle word. So if you want to extract this or display this middle word itself, so for that purpose what to do means equal to MID, equal to MID. Within the bracket we can select the original text Happy New Year. Then we have to give 2 arguments. First of all, from where, from the middle or anywhere, from where we want to display. So we want to display 7th letter onwards. You see happy 5 letters, 6th letter is a space, then 7th letter onwards, that is new. 7th letter onwards we want to display 3 letters, that is new. So it will display new. Okay, that is the use of MID. So if we want to display new from this original text Happy New Year, for that purpose what to do means we can give MID equal to MID function. Within that one we can select the first argument is the original text Happy New Year, that is the column name, that is the cell address name, cell address F4, then comma 7 means I want to display this new, so happy 5 letters, sixth letter is okay H1, A2, P3, P4, Y5, then sixth is the space, seventh is M. Then from that seventh, 3 letters. That means 7, comma 3. As like if you want to display Y new Y like that. That is happy where one Y is there, then new, then Y is there. You want to display like that. For that purpose, what to do? Equal to MID. Equal to MID within the bracket, select the original text from where we want fourth, then fifth letter onwards, that is Y. So comma 5 means Y, okay, Y, comma we want to display from this onwards, so Y1, space is 2, new N is there, 3, 4, W 5, then sixth space 7, capital letter Y from the year. So I am using 7. It will display small letter Y, space new, space Y. What is that? Happy, the last letter Y. That is the cell address 5. That is the letter number 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 means small letter Y. From that, including that small letter Y, 1, 2, space is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the space, 7 is Y. So it will display Y, new, Y. So if you want to display new only, for that purpose what to do means we can just use 5, 6, 7. 7 onwards we want to display 7, 3. Okay, 7, 3. That means it will start from the N, then 3 letters, including the N, 3 letters, new will be displayed. Okay, so that's all about the text functions in the LibreOffice Calc. So we discussed one uppercase letter. For that purpose we are using upper function, lower function for small letter, length. If we want to find out the number of characters or letters in a string or in a text or paragraph or like that, for that purpose we can use a function LAN. Then here you see left function is there to display the left characters in a given string, and if you want to display the rightmost letters, the specified number of characters from the right side, so for that purpose we can use right. Then if you want to display in between a string, like a middle string like that, for that purpose we can use MID, made function. So that's all about our today's topic. So thank you all.